Hello, welcome back to Bill's Learning Corner. 好，今天呢，我们要讲的是另外一篇的故事，叫做 Follow That Cat。我们学习的目标呢，是最主要是这个句子 Follow that cat 去做什么事情或去哪里。好，那 follow 呢，就是跟随着的意思。我们现在来 Follow that cat。Follow that cat， 这只猫。Follow that cat to the stairs. Stairs. Follow that cat to the stairs. Meow. Follow that cat to the chair. Chair. Meow. Follow that cat to the toys.Meow. Follow that cat to the boys. Meow. Follow that cat to the lap. Meow. Watch him curl up to take a nap. Purr. Curl up 就是他整个卷起来，然后他要 take a nap。他要休息睡一下，小睡一下。OK， 好，那一样的跟着 Bill 回去，我们会再复习一些片语或生字。Curl up， 整个卷起来了。Take a nap， 他要小睡一下。好 ，lap 就是他的大腿这边 lap。Boys， 这边很多玩具。Chairs， Stairs 就是阶梯楼梯。OK， 好，所以呢，我们要 follow that cat。我们从头开始，准备好了吗 ？OK， ready? Here we go. Follow that cat. Follow that cat.Follow that cat to the stairs. Meow. Follow that cat to the chairs. Meow. Follow that cat to the toys. Meow. Follow that cat to the boys. Meow. Follow that cat to the lap. Meow. Watch him curl up to take a nap.Purr. 好，以上是 Follow that cat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.